So K2 is an innovative racking system, new to Australian market. As our panels get bigger and bigger, the problem with that was the clamp zones. We can screw straight to the tin, don't have to screw to the rafters. The advantage obviously there is that the guys like it because it's quicker to install. They don't have to carry 4 metre lengths of rail trying to get them up on the van. Typical box weighs about 6 to 7 kilos, less material, less cost, quicker to install, and it comes designed and engineered.
Okay, so what we're going to do is K2, when we install their racking, prior to coming out to site, we do a design up in their software which is called Base, and you go through, allocate the project, draw the roof out, go through the wind load regions for all parts of Australia. Then we do a little close-up layout of the roof and how the panels are going to lay out, and then the results give us a template that we can then come to site and install. All up 10 kilograms of gear, so really handy documentation. Good summary there. Yeah, it gives you a little tick when you know you've designed it all right, so happy days.